Yabo bafethu bakhulunywa ukuthiwa iSouth Africa inetalent, akho into eshaya uBlake bafethu. Hayi. Blake somnyama ighost bafethu ayikabi. Hayi kabi bafethu, hayi kabi. Hayi. Yazi kunezinye izinto bafethu ezi-highlight artist. They-highlight artist sibone lento. Yazi kuthiwa hip hop ifile ne? But hayi bafethu hayi. Hayi bafethu. Into ezoBlake somnyama. Hayi. And I truly love the fact ukuthi mastery art yakhe lo muntu lo, master ne craft yakhe. Yeah. I truly love that about somnyama yena yedwa bafethu ighost lona lodwa bafethu. Yazi membukele one of i-writing yakhe, i-performance yakhe.
I said I'm rapping that man, but I can't get you again. And if I'm fucking away, come on again, yeah. Let's go.
Eish la performance bafethu ingenze ngarealize ukuthi yabona uMzansi bafethu. Hayi, abawuyeke uMzansi. uMzansi kwelinye izinga uMzansi bafethu when it come to music, when it come to talent. Yes, hip hop is dead. Yes, siyavuma. Ayisekho viral njenga before. Kodwa niyibonile performance naka somnyama yena yedwa bafethu. Niyibonile performance yakhe? Hayi la uthi ghost bafethu. Ghost la uthi lena bafethu. Yazi sometimes ezinye izinto emazinhle mesizincoma bafethu sizinika indawo yazo bafethu. Yeah, akhona amapiano, akhona ama 3 steps, zikhona zonke ngiyazibona. And zonke ziyaphusha and zonke zenza impact. But into endiyibonile kulomfana kasomnyama yena yedwa. Hayi bafethu, hayi yangithusa lento le. Iyangikhomba ukuthi bafethu kusekuningi okuzayo when it come to amajida bafethu. Sekuningi okuzayo when it come to amajida bafethu. Kuningi kakhulu. Even though